Hi everyone, welcome back to Babs Tech. In today's video, we'll be looking at how to create an index in Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. Let's get started. We need to connect our instance. So under your Object Explorer, you click on Connect to your instance. Now under your Object Explorer, you should see your instance, that's your server, and your databases security listed. To create an index, you will need to find the table you want to work with, expand the databases, then the tables folder, and locate your target table. So let's expand our databases. We are going to work with this database DemoDB. I will expand to view my tables. Click expand your table folder. Now you can see the tables I have here. For this example, we are going to work on the dbo.healthcare table. We need to expand our table so we can create our index. Expand your table. When you scroll down, you see indexes here. Let's expand the index folder. We don't have any indexes, so what we need to do to create an index is to right click on our index folder, click on new index, and then you can see the options. We have clustered index, non-clustered index, clustered column store index, and non-clustered column store index. For this purpose, we are going to look at how to create a non-clustered index. We'll click on non-clustered index. Now we have our new index window open. Now we can see our table name is healthcare and our index name. So we need to name our index. Now to name our index, I'll try to add the name of the column we will be applying our non-clustered index to. So you can see index type, we have non-clustered. Now what you need to do next is to click on add. I'll click on add, and then I'll see the columns the table has. So I'm going to use last name. Click on last name and then click on OK. Now I'm going to add last name here. So I will know my non-clustered index is on the last name. Now here, once you've added the column, you can see we have sort order. It's on ascending order. If you want to change it to descending order, you can click on it and then change it to descending order. If you want to include other columns, you can click here, add, and then you'll be able to add other columns to it. Okay, so for this example, we'll just remove the included column. So I'll just remove it. We are going to create a simple non-clustered index, so we'll not be going through the other options, but if you want to make any additional settings, you can go through it here. Auto recompute your statistics is true, ignore duplicate values, logs, so you can go through it based on, we have your storage, filter, extended properties. For this purpose, we'll just keep it simple and we'll click on OK. That's it. We can see our non-clustered index has been created. Okay, we can see our non-clustered index has been created. Just always remember, indexes are powerful tools for improving query performance, but overusing them can slow down write operations, so use them wisely. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Babs Tech for more SQL tips and tricks. Drop any questions or topics you want us to cover in the comments below. See you in the next video.